बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम ग्लोबल एजुकेशन में हूँ आरिफ। टॉपिक इन दिस वीडियो, टॉपिक ऑफ लेसन, रीडिंग टेक्स्ट, वर्स, novel, paper pattern. Now we move on next topic. Topic of lesson. In this English subject, topics of lessons are divided in three parts: reading text, verse, novel. Reading text. There are 5 chapters are selected on the Intermediate English Book Part 2 in this syllabus, which are appended below. 20 minutes with Miss Okentup. Reflection on the Re-Awakening East, Pakistan and the Modern World, the World as I See It, the Devoted Friends. These chapters are given, which are selected in Intermediate Book. Now we move on next topic. Verse. In this portion, there are 6 verses, and these verses are selected on English verse part 2. The 7 ages of pain, the lines of Samson and Agonistes, the solitary reaper, music when soft voice dies, say no the struggle not avalanche, the lost star. These are 6 verses are selected from second year novel. In this drama play, there is one drama play selection on the President of Zinda. In this syllabus, which are appended below. The President of Zinda. The President of Zinda is taken on book of the President of Zinda. Now we move on next topic. Paper pattern. English paper is 100 marks, which are 3 sections: Section A, Section B, Section C. Section A consists of MCQs, which are 40 marks. Section B 40 marks. Section B are further subsection. Subsection 1, subsection 2, subsection 3, subsection 4. Subsection 1 on Intermediate English Book Part 2. Subsection 2 are selection from English Verse Part 2. Subsection 3. In this section consists on novel are selected on the President of Zinda. Subsection 4. This section consists of grammar. Section C. Section C consists of detailed answer question. Those are 20 marks. Are selected on essay, change narration, summarize the passage. So I think it's really clear. We will meet on next topic. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.